Good morning. November. Here's November 3rd. Um, we just did what's called daylight savings time. I think I mentioned that, where we mess with the clocks by an hour. Feels lighter in the morning, but it gets dark at 5 p.m. So, um, we have wrapped up all of the countries on the planet, on the earth, that begin with the letter M, alphabetized. Now we start with the letter N. And the first one up is Namibia. It's the second least populated country on the earth. It's got deserts that stretch from forever, multiple dry areas. And yet, God's heart and compassion is for the people of Namibia. So let's hear. This is what I get, and I have to just say it. I trust that it's God's wisdom and heart for the people of Namibia. Look at you. You are a little kettle whose handle touches Zimbabwe. You desired, you negotiated, and there you have it. The heat is on. World events will not leave you alone, and you cannot count on commerce to take care of you. Your leaders are meeting people, posturing for photo ops, and announcing new programs. Nothing changes. You murmur to one another in the dusty streets. Children play games. Women cook and have babies. And nothing changes. Now I will tell you about change coming. There is a move afoot that desires what little you have. This movement has great swelling words and promises. Wants to conscript your young men and bring prosperity for all. This movement is not new, but its wrapping paper makes it look new. It is written, there is nothing new under the sun. When they come to you and want your elders to meet, know that death is knocking at your door. I am one, however, that has been knocking at your door for a long time. You have been preoccupied with complaining, caring about things you cannot change, and dreaming of owning things that will not satisfy. You think that modern life will bring you ease. I tell you that the getting of treasures by a lying tongue is a vanity tossed to and fro of them who seek death. Come to me for true riches that add no sorrow. Listen to my ministers and don't harden your neck. Father, I just believe from this word that there are people that have a voice and that have been speaking to Namibians, people who, for whatever reason, desire more. And I ask you, God, that they will open their hearts to receive the more that you have, to receive the abundance that you have. Help Namibia. We who are reading and praying just ask for you to help Namibia with the gospel, the true gospel. In Jesus' name, amen.